Some of our top weather concerns across the country here as we wrap up the weekend include a fire weather threat in parts of the Midwest, as well as a fire weather threat in the Southwest, and then an evolving severe weather concern in the Central Plains in the coming days. So as I set the forecast into motion for today, you'll notice some storms popping across parts of Texas for later on in the afternoon today, then storms in parts of the Midwest by early tomorrow, and carrying on that severe threat into early next week. Strong winds in the upper Midwest today, gusting into the 40-mile-per-hour range in places like Fargo and Sioux Falls this afternoon. But combine those strong winds with low relative humidities in both the Midwest and the Southwest down toward the Four Corners region, and we get a situation in which if a wildfire were to start, it would spread quite quickly. So Weather Service has red flag warnings in effect for both of those regions. So certainly being careful in those areas where burning is concerned. Then we turn our attention toward the potential for severe weather. Two areas today under a marginal threat, one of which includes parts of the Dakotas and in Montana, and then across parts of West Texas and into eastern New Mexico throughout the evening hours today. Carrying into tomorrow, we have an expanded threat and a slight risk, and that stretches from South Dakota all the way down closer to the Mexican border, a line of storms possible in those areas. And then we'll take this even further toward Tuesday. Storm Prediction Center has already issued an enhanced risk for severe weather, potentially impacting portions of Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas, and Missouri. So this is an area that we'll continue to watch as the severe weather threat evolves in the coming days. But certainly strong storms possible anywhere from northern Wisconsin all the way down through parts of Oklahoma, and then that storm threat continuing to track eastward as we head toward middle of the week.